Well, every research begins with a guess. Not a wild guess, an educated one. A possible answer to your research question. That guess is called a hypothesis. Let's break it down. A hypothesis is a statement that predicts what you expect to find in your research. It comes after you've read what others have said, after you've understood the problem. You say, based on what I know, I think this is what I'll discover. As for a hypothesis, the formulation matters. A good hypothesis is clear. It's testable. It's specific. Not students perform differently, but students who study with audio perform better than those who only read. See the difference? One is vague. The other you can actually test. There are two main types of hypothesis you need to know. Null hypothesis. This says there is no relationship, no difference, nothing significant happening. It's often written as H with a 0. For example, there is no difference in performance between students who study with audio and those who read. The null hypothesis is what you try to disprove.
Alternative hypothesis. This says there is a relationship, a difference, something real. It's often written as H with a 1 or a subscript A. For example, students who study with audio perform better than those who read. This is what you hope to find evidence for. Here's how it works in real research. You start with the null. You collect data. You analyze. If the evidence is strong enough, you reject the null. That means the alternative is supported. If not, you fail to reject the null. That doesn't mean the null is true. It just means your data didn't prove it wrong. For UGC net, you need to recognize these two types and know the difference. Null equals no difference. Alternative equals difference exists. Before you go, here's a question. A researcher states, there is no significant difference in test scores between male and female students. This is an example of A, null hypothesis, B, alternative hypothesis, C, directional hypothesis, D, research question. The answer is in the description. Check it after you think.